Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu anhu reports that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, on the day of resurrection, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will summon Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam. So he will submit, O Lord, I am present in your court for you. It will be said, did you convey my message? He will submit, yes. Then his ummah will be asked, was the message conveyed to you? They will say, no. Prophet came to us. So it will be said to Hazrat Noah, who is your witness? He will submit, my witnesses are Hazrat Muhammad S.A.W. and his ummah. So they will testify that he alayhi salam indeed conveyed the message, and this messenger your guard and witness. So this saying is in this connection, and thus we made you exalted among all nations, that you may be witness to the people, and this messenger your guard and witness. Al-Wasatu means the excellent, the exalted. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4487.